See, my lugar say Yao see Samoa. I'm calling about tourists. Is there anyone here?
I need white ladies.
Yeah.
And Japanese ladies, Chinese and Filipino. Give your hand. Up your hand, please. Let me see your face. Oh, there's no...
No.
Let me see.
Yeah. Era se kuri si Samoa I mai sabai. Ioe.
Okia kon me o lawa kuri Samoa palangi kua mai Samoa.
Ioe.
She's coming.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You go.
That's the piece
back over there.
Thank you. Your name?
Oh, you are someone.
Cornelia.
Again?
Cornelia.
Cornelia from?
Holland.
Oh.
Are you born over here? Or are you born?
Your country again? Cornelia.
Oh yeah?
I have it at the telephone. Cornelia.
Oh.
Okay.
What's your name?
Cornelia.
Cornelia.
You from?
I like your name. Are you married?
Holland.
Are you married? Lee? Are you married? No married? Why?
Too ugly.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Cornelia.
Are you like someone?
We are going to.
Oh.
We are going to teach you.
You talk to him.
We are going to teach you how to dance a Samoan dance.
Excuse me. What do you say?
No, we are going to teach you.
I like Samoan dance. Oh my goodness. Well, let me teach
Okay.
you.
La salsa kofaili. We are going to teach you how to dance a Samoan dance. Pesa Samoa. Like this. No. After 5, go start again. 5. Okay. So we are going like this. Why you are more alive? Why you
You follow me, okay? You say it like this.
Party, man. Okay, like this.
You too, okay?
Good.
Yes.
Yeah, like this. You're welcome to Samoa. Enjoy your stay here in Samoa. Come again next year. Okay.
Ole makua poko kamakan heusungo. Kalau facing itu finge ai anu. Ala kengere ka ele so.
Ya la tua Asia. Olha, tá por cá, né, filha?
Marô, vai estar, e a mais parte, e a Mopetelo, o Sumeu, e a mais soltato Marô. Thank you very much to the lovely lady.